The legal clinic is a legal laboratory where students practice in law.
Students, supervised by professors and practicing lawyers, provide pro bono legal advice to associations, to foundations, to social entrepreneurs.
Se ponen en contacto la pasión que puede tener un emprendedor con su proyecto con el ánimo y el entusiasmo que tienen estudiantes para ejercer una profesión tan importante como la legal.
To be able to not only help an entity that maybe doesn't have the resources to go to a big firm for help, but also to be able to be with the students, help them, and teach them.
We haven't been just thrown into the cases. We have been accompanied by training sessions, both technical and in soft skills. So I think it's been pretty holistic.
For the students, it's the opportunity to put hands on experience, so move from the law and the books to practice.
Well, I think you learn how to have a relationship with both students, young people, and the client, how you can do to make them both connect and know what they want. Even if you have like a practice assignment, you don't get to talk with the client, you don't get to know the real issues that come up.
We have many projects that have this international component. And that makes, I think, illegal clinic very different to others. And this is a reflection of the kind of students that we have here, because they are international students, they speak many languages, and it's also a reflection of the kind of programs that we have.
My legal research have improved notably, that we get to learn which particular method of research is appropriate for each particular project.
We have been presented with a lot of people in the field already, and that's a great thing.
De otra manera, pues estaría el proyecto más estancado y ahora nos va a permitir, pues, no solo avanzar en el impacto social que tenemos aquí en España, sino empezar y poner en marcha el proyecto en otros países.
Students that are not involved in the legal clinic do miss out on very valuable opportunities to develop practical skills.
It's a total different thing than working on it on a real life basis.